Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have a very a cool model of one I'm very excited for, and it's the Porter Airlines Embraer E195-E2 by GeminiJets. I've seen some. This is obviously I've had this model since it came out, or for a little while. And it's been out for a while now too, so a lot of people have already reviewed this and everything, and I'm just getting to it. But this I've seen, from what I've seen, on Instagram and other watching other videos and stuff about this. This is probably one of the top models from GeminiJets in recent times. Like I've heard the mold is really good. The details, everything is really good. I know GeminiJets 13 Matt, it's CLT Aviation. Yeah, Matt was praising this. And a lot of others, so I'm really excited to have this. I didn't get it originally when it first came out. It took me a little bit, so that's why I'm a bit behind on finally doing a review of it, but very excited to have this. Let's get right on into it. Here's the box. Again, Porter Embraer E195-E2. They've gotten a lot of these. Porter's just really grown significantly. They've got probably over a dozen of these. I've seen them now in person too. Look really cool. I'm really wanting to fly Porter at some point. That would be kind of cool. But yeah, here we go. So 2023. It was, I believe. Let's see. I want to say it was sometime between October and December of last year that it was released. But yeah, anyway, here we go. Let's open it up. I know I didn't even show you the information. That's fine. You know how it goes with the GeminiJets box, like the stuff there. But yeah, let's get right on into it. Here's the model. Very excited for this. Just from what I see, it looks fantastic right off the bat. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we're working with here. This is a new type of my fleet and a new mold and everything. Wow. Okay. All right, GeminiJets. This is what I'm talking about. This is some NG models quality right here. This is looking. Oh wow. Okay, let's get this camera here focused in and all set up and everything, so we can take a good look at this guy. Wow, this looks amazing. Yeah, I can't contain my excitement, guys. Now this looks. This really does look fantastic. Like 10 out of 10. This looks awesome. Very excited to have this. So yeah, here we go. The cockpit area, really nice looking. Embraer, Porter, gear and everything looks good. L1 door, Porter, antenna. Oh, that's a different kind of little antenna too. Neat. The engines are huge on these things. I forget what type they are, but they're huge, and they look good. They've done a good job of modeling that here. Overwing exit markings and everything. Very nice. Oh, sorry about that. There's some emergency vehicles going by. Yeah, Wi-Fi dome, more antennas and everything. Looking really nice. Registration is Charlie-Golf Kilo Quebec Lima. There's the Canadian flag, and 903 is the fleet number, and then the tail, the classic Porter tail with the Porter, different colors and everything, looking really nice. Yeah, this model looks just fantastic. Like overall, it's very well done. The engines and everything look great, or they're mounted well. The detail is spot on. Just wow. Got the baggage doors obviously at front and back here. Just wow, this looks amazing, guys. This really does look perfect in my opinion. The bottom, it has a Porter underbelly, obviously ER kind of taken out by the stand hole, but nonetheless very nice, great detail. I'm thoroughly impressed. I think GeminiJets has done an incredible job with this model. Like the new sort of antennas. The just overall the detail, the engines looking fantastic, proportionate and everything. the mold itself, it looks like a Porter E195-E2 from what I've seen in real life. It looks spot on. Very, very nice. Well done to GeminiJets. This mold and this model is, I love it. I love it. So yeah, the reason I got this was because Porter has now started serving Los Angeles. I know, crazy. Porter just used to be a little airline with Dash 8s, flying out of Billy Bishop, but here they are now flying all across Canada, flying into the US, Vegas, Los Angeles, I believe Orlando, Fort Lauderdale, and I'm sure others are gonna follow suit, other destinations and whatnot. But Porter's really grown. They fly again all across now Canada, with these E195 E2s. You know, I saw them at Edmonton recently. They look really cool. I'd love to fly on them. I've heard they've been doing really well too, you know, in terms of, you know, the routes and everything. So that's, you know, good. Hopefully they continue to do well. Obviously the Canadian market's been a little bit kind of up and down. We've had Swoop going back, it just get dissolved back into WestJet. We've had Flair have some issues, and then recently we've had Lynx absolutely disappear. So kind of crazy, but Porter has really just grown. They've gotten these Embraers, and apparently they're doing really well. They also still have the Dash 8s running certain routes and everything, more of the shorter stuff. But yeah, so this is awesome. This is a great model. I highly recommend it. I believe you can still get it, so if you can get it, it's awesome. Well done, GeminiJets. You know, as much crap as I give them, I gotta give them some praise for this, because this really is a great model, and people weren't fronting about it being a great model, because I'm seeing it for myself now and it really looks amazing. So definitely a top model from them. I know there's not a whole lot of E195-E2 customers, but with this mold, it would be, I'm almost tempted, you know, when they release others, to just get them, because it just looks amazing. Like I know Royal Jordanian just got some, and whoo, that new livery, whoo. Gotta say, I don't know if GeminiJets could master it, or if they'd be able to get it perfect, but I mean, wow, if they did, it would be a real cool one to have, just because it's such a good looking mold, a good looking aircraft and everything, and they've done a great job overall with the details on this one, so I'm hoping they would continue with any others. But yeah, anyways guys, with that being said, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, and with that guys, I will see you in the next one. Take care.